In a world full of routine, two degenerates emerge to remind us to embrace life. Krista and Jason aren't the cruisers we need or deserve, but they're here anyway. They're just soulmates with a GoPro, a moderate tolerance for alcohol, and a thirst for fun. Let's celebrate the day.
All right, we are out. It is another day. Good morning from somewhere in the ocean.
Yes, it's kind of windy.
Dig the sunrise, huh? How pretty is that? It's very breezy this morning. In case you hadn't noticed, Krista's hair isn't doing its own thing. She's turned into Medusa. Meet my wife, Medusa.
It's craziness, I tell you.
Okay, we were able to find a little more windy place on the ship.
Yes. It's keeping my hair in one position though.
But the sunrise is
Incredible.
breathtaking. So today's sea day.
Yep. and there's a ball of fire in the sky, so we're gonna try to not.
Come on.
Okay.
Go up here. I think it might be a little less breezy up here on this Serenity. Or it could be.
It could be worse.
Okay. Alright, so today's our last day of our cruise. Tomorrow we just disembark. Although that counts as somewhat of a day. Anyway.
Yeah, I don't get it.
Anyway, so today's our last day. It's a sea day.
We're gonna see what kind of trouble we can get into. Who knows? It's a 46% chance of rain, but any day at sea is better than a day at work. So.
Yeah, but you know, it doesn't mean it's going to rain all day. It could just be a sprinkle. But we have our little list of agenda that we're probably willing to deviate through.
Yep.
Today is sea day brunch.
Yeah. Well, we're ready for that.
Right.
And I don't know.
Yep. We'll play it by ear.
Yep. That's how we roll.
Okay.
Bye. So we're in the rear portion of deck 9. Some ships this is considered the Serenity deck, but here it is the aft pool. It's really special on a Victory because it has this retractable awning that goes over it. So when you are in a storm or in the rain or in wind, this retractable awning goes back forward and it protects the area. It also houses the seafood shack, as well as an aft-facing bar. And it also has this beautiful view of the aft, the tail or the trail. So this is a great place to hang out if it's raining. Music, bar, everything. Anyway, thought this was cool.
So we have towels.
We're gonna do the towel folding contest, and the guy is gonna teach us. His name is Glenn, and he does a lobster that apparently is like the pro grade towel folding.
Right. When you really get your towel game up, you do lobster.
Yes, it's an advanced.
I did teach Krista how to fold one towel animal.
Yes.
Show us. Show us the animal
Jason
I taught you how to make.
You go like this, and you whip it, and then you fold it, and it's a spitting snake.
It's a snake. See? I don't even know why I'm at this class.
Because I don't know how to do this. So, $1 out of every one of the towel folding books that they sell for like $15, $1 of it goes to St. Jude. So
all of our relatives, you're all getting towel animal folding books for Christmas. I don't want to spoil your present. Or you may get a genuine Coach bag from Cozumel.
From Cozumel, yes, genuine.
Sure, absolutely authentic. $15 out the door.
Right? And she told us to keep it a secret how much we got it for.
Sorry, scratch that.
Yeah, we couldn't say anything because it was. So,
I'm sure they're just as authentic as the Cohiba cigar.
Cohibas that we saw next door to that authentic Coach store.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the towel folding here, and we'll try and show you what we made. We've got a big towel and a little towel, and
that's it.
Yep.
Hopefully they'll give us eyes.
So if you come over our house, there won't be any folded towels in the cupboard. It'll all be snakes and swans and lobsters.
Elephants. And I like the puppies and the bunnies.
And a stingray.
And a stingray. I like the stingray
basically,
too.
like you open up the closet, and there's a bunch of animals waiting to attack you.
But I may have to do more cruises so I can get to, and more classes so I can get to an advanced level to do the lobster.
Got it. So how'd it go for your first try?
So I think I may have a slightly challenged elephant compared to Jason.
We did elephants.
Probably looks cooler with some.
Yeah, Jason's looks like it's perky.
Yep. He was at Cosmo yesterday. Stopped at the pharmacy.
Yeah. And mine has the Cheers package.
We'll see what we do next.
Thank you.
And what's towel animal 2, honey?
Towel animal 2 is a puppy.
There's Krista's puppy.
There's my puppy, and there's Jason's puppy. Jason looks he's got a manly puppy.
I got a future in this trade.
Yes.
I should have been doing laundry all this time. So now we are
at C-Day Brunch.
C-Day Brunch. We did towel animal.
Yes, and I have this adorable book. $1 of the proceeds went to St. Jude's. I love St. Jude's. But now I can make all these cute little towel animals for nobody.
Us.
For us.
What's on that shirt of yours? What's going on there?
Well, this is my latest Degenerate Cruiser shirt. It's Danger. I might be getting a little bit extra.
We're about to get a little extra.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
And it's sparkly.
Yes, it is very sparkly.
It's very sparkly, so
there's photographic evidence that I folded a towel.
Yes, I got photo evidence. He folded a towel. It's awesome. I've never seen that happen before, so it's a little different.
Really? Sure. Whatever, dude. All right. The CD brunch is a must-do. It's some of the best food on this ship, right?
Yes. I order the steak and eggs at least. Well, depending on how many sea days we have, I try to order the steak and eggs at least once.
I'll try to remember to get a picture of it, but I love the cereal crusted French toast. It's phenomenal. And here is the deliciousness known as crusted French toast. Look at that. Let me get some drone footage. We got some sides. Chris says, couldn't wait.
I got a potato.
Yeah, she's got herself some hash browns. So, what is that? What's going on with that?
That is a steak. Those are eggs, and that's sauce.
Nice. Hollandaise?
Oh no.
Sweet. Yes, I've been waiting months for that. Dummy. What's going on, Krista? Once again, these dicks known as the Carnival Corporation are kicking us off the ship.
It's not fair.
Nope.
They woo us and give us this happy joy, and then they say you gotta get out, and they post signs all over the ship telling us how to get out. They send us mail that tells us how to get out faster. I don't like it.
The main thing is you ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Right?
Which is fine. I don't know how much more of this lavish lifestyle I can take anyway. I certainly need to get back in the grind of work and paying bills and laundry.
Can we just go? They're going to Nassau tomorrow.
I'm pretty sure they'd notice if we didn't leave.
Probably.
All right, well we'll get it packed up here.
I'm trying. Don't wanna.
Yeah.
Not okay.
Sorry. Book a longer cruise next time.
How many more days till our next cruise?
I don't know.
I don't
September.
It's too many.
Right.
Bye.
So we went ahead and tried the sushi.
Yep, bonsai
So
sushi.
part of our the drink package we didn't buy, we're putting the money toward other things. So the sushi at $5 a roll.
Yep.
Krista got the California roll.
And it came with 8 pieces. I've already eaten one. It's actually really good.
I got the spicy tuna. And it's good.
It's really good. I'm ready to eat.
Okay, we're this happened, I guess.
Hold on, take a deep breath. In 3, 2, 1, ladies and gentlemen. We've been traveling far without a home, but now we got a star.
There again. Check out the America Live. Live America.
Living in America.
Whatever.
America something.
Living in America.
Yes.
Good.
It was a little different. It was different than any other show I'd ever seen. It had a live band.
Yeah, band. I'm digging on people actually playing music rather than recorded. I get it's expensive, but it's cool.
Yeah, it was cool.
And now we're at the punchliner, and we're in for some
Over
Degenerate
the age
humor.
of 18.
Just right up our fucking alley.
Yeah, it's the Degenerate show.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Punchliner Comedy Club. Hey man, it's 18 and over. Yeah, it's 18 and over. Sorry, buddy. You get to come back when you can earn it. Yes. Yes, like I mean, you can say, I solemnly swear to defend this nation. Yes, you gotta be 18.
And of course, I gotta give, they're gonna make this better and better for you all the time here at Carnival. You know, they have a smoking section. Where are our smokers at? There you go. Some of you can still raise your arm. God bless you. There's some women here. I went to the nightclub. Did you see some of these women here? I met a blonde. I just wanted to fuck her brains out. Started to talk to her, realized somebody had beat me to it.
Okay, so we got a ship over here. Well, we got a storm brewing. Jason's got a little breeze going with his beard. He's trying to make sure he's not eating his beard. But we're gonna try to catch some video of this storm because it's pretty fucking cool.
We need to get some ankle weights for you.
Right, this is ridiculous.
Keep your blowing up.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.